Isa to sa pinaka damaging na mindset na dinadala ng karamihan ng Pilipino. Lalo na doon sa mga nasa laylayan ng lipunan. Yung mga mahihirap. 'Di ba? Sabi niya dito, why aren't you rich? If mantra mo ang mag-improve daily, genuinely asking. Genuinely asking ba talaga? Or you are just being naive or stupid to think that you improving yourself should overnight make you a rich or a billionaire person. Alam mo, kaya ang daming nahuhulog doon sa mga Dragon Balls project na yan sa mga networking na yan, sa mga crypto-cryptohan na yan, is because they promised an overnight change, improvement na pinakaasam ng isang tao. And ang daming nahuhulog doon sa ganong klaseng mindset because they think that improvement can come easy as one night, instant. But in reality, what they are thinking about what's going to happen is that this person will make their promises come true. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda nila magsalita. Sumali ka lang sa Dragon Balls project. 1 week, papaldo ka, 50 mil, 1 month, milyon, so on and so forth. Diba? So, that is how that kind of mindset is being translated in our values, our work ethics, and in how we view, how we create solutions in our life. Filipinos have a deep underlying problem when it comes to problem solving. They do not know how to set goals. They do know how to set milestones. They do not know how to celebrate. They do not know how to learn from mistakes. And worse, they think you can reach your dreams overnight. Ngayon, tanungin kita, is it considered an improvement if hindi ko na pinoproblema yung pang Noche Buena namin? It's because I've produced enough value to actually go overboard doon sa nilimita ng DTI na minimum pang Noche Buena. Ha? Napaka-stupido ng mindset. They think they can be Bill Gates overnight. They think they can be Zuckerberg for overnight. Ay, nako. Kaya ang daming nahuhumaling sa mga networking na yan. Dahil sa ganyang mindset. They think, diba? Changes, improvements, at yung pag-angat ng buhay mo overnight. Without even going through the painstaking improvement process na kung saan paulit-ulit kang magkakamali, but at the same time, paulit-ulit mo ring matututunan yung ayaw mong matutunan doon sa parehong pagkakamali. People are always drawn to what is easy. Mas madaling mag-recruit kaysa mag-aral. Mas madaling magreklamo kaysa humanap ng paraan. Mas madaling manisin ang iba kaysa improve yung sarili. That's the reality of things. That's why ang daming nasaktan doon sa statement ng gobyerno. It's because they cannot create or add value to themselves. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.